Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, your girl is still doing these Disney looks. I hope you guys are really enjoying it. So we're gonna kick it off with the Elsa palette by Beauty Creations, and we're gonna take that midnight green type of color. These colors are hard to describe because they're so unique, and that's why I really love this palette. So we're placing that right on the socket of our eye as our dark transition color, and we're gonna go from dark to light in this look. And I slowed the video down, or should I say I didn't speed the video up, because I really wanted you guys to see how much time it takes to really create these type of looks. So we're gonna go in with that darker purple, and we're gonna place that shade right on top of that midnight green color. You guys, when I say these colors are hard to describe, like, I hope you guys are just like really paying attention. And if you don't have this palette, just get you a Morphe palette or a Profusion palette or something like that and follow along with this tutorial. So we're gonna mix that burnt red color with the tan color as the actual transition shade. And you guys, look at those brows. Y'all, don't mind the hair cap, just look at the brows, okay? Them brows were popping that day, okay? And you guys know I love the BH Cosmetics number 12 brush, I think it's called. But in this one, I was using, for blending the transition color, I was using the NYX Professionals blending brush. So I did go back in with the purple and bring that purple back in. And now I'm taking the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I forgot what shade it was, but it's not my perfect shade. So I use it to cut my crease. And that's the only thing I didn't show you guys in this video, is how I cut my crease, because I cut my crease a lot in a lot of my tutorials. So I thought you guys wouldn't mind me skipping out on that part. But I am taking a variation of blues to make the watercolor type of blue look that Elsa wears in that dress on Frozen. So that's what I was kind of going with, but I wanted to have like a darker side to me. That's why the transition colors are on the darker side. So now I'm gonna go in with this darker blue, and I kind of sped this part up because you guys already seen me do the lighter blue, and it's basically the same thing, and I'm using the same brush. I think that's the MAC brush. I can't remember. You guys, I have so many brushes that I just really can't remember each freaking name, and I always forget to put the products down that I used in videos. I'm so horrible at that, but I'm trying to get better at doing that. So if you guys don't see all of the products listed down below, please check me in the comments, okay, and let me know to go and update it ASAP. So I did take that champagne color and pop it in the inner corner of my eye, just to make that blue a little bit more brighter than what it really is. And then I'm gonna go back in with that midnight color and that purple, and we're gonna mix it and hit the outer V with it, just so that the eye still looks dark and kind of smoky, but still match what we did in the crease area. If that makes any sense to you guys, I'm so sorry. Hopefully it makes sense to you guys. And now you see me taking that second brush, and I'm just kind of blending it so you won't see any type of harsh lines in it. I want everything to look flawless and seamless. So that's what I'm doing. And next, you guys, I am going in with my Holy Grail Wet n Wild Makeup Liner in black. You guys, if y'all been rocking with me, y'all should know how long I've been rocking with the Wet n Wild liner. And y'all know my hands are never steady, but I kind of hate when other YouTubers do not show you guys how to do a wing line. So I wanted to kind of give you guys a glimpse of the struggle I be having with the wing liners, because my hands are never steady, ever. ever, ever, ever. They're never steady. Okay, you guys, this Wet n Wild Mega Jelly Face Primer, I spoke to you guys about this in the past. I think when I did my Ulta 21 days, my Ulta before 21 days of beauty haul, you guys, this stuff here is, oh my god, that stuff, it goes on like jelly, but it grips like no other. I love that primer. And speaking of Wet n Wild still, this Wet n Wild foundation stick, you guys, y'all know I still do my foundation Fridays, but this was gonna be a two-part video, and I was gonna do a weird test foundation Friday on this Wet n Wild foundation stick and a Monday, but you guys, I just don't know about this foundation. Like, it is kind of hard. It doesn't really match my skin tone, should I say. So I did mix the Versailles unicorn drops in to kind of help blend it out. It is just like, I don't know, it's something about that foundation that I'm just not rocking with, but I still want to kind of use it to like try to figure it out. I don't know. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. But I did go in with the Fenty Beauty in 420 or 520. I can't remember the shade. But I do love this Fenty concealer. I have tried this. Well, let me say this. The Fenty concealer reminds me a lot of the ColourPop concealers. I kind of think it's a dupe, and you guys let me know, be the judge down below, and let me know if you would like a dupe video, because I have been finding little dupes here and there. So let me know about that. Don't y'all love my Too Faced pineapple mirror? I love this mirror, you guys. I think it is just the cutest little thing. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Jelly highlighter, and if I'm not mistaken, this one is in Grind or something like that. And I do like it, even though you guys know I'm not no cream or jelly type of person, cream product. I don't like that type of stuff. But you guys, I love this jelly highlighter. But one thing I can say about it is, you guys, it dries down fast, and wherever it lays, it lays. So you kind of got to work with it like I'm doing. I messed up, so you kind of got to work with it really fast, or it's gonna stay right there wherever you lay it. You're gonna see when I go to do my lip and my nose, it just kind of like stayed right there in place. But the highlighter itself is very blinding, and it is so good, and it lasts all day. Oh my god, it lasts all day. But y'all know I'm gonna keep trying my little products because I love Wet n Wild. And in this one, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in translucent, not the banana this time, you guys. I'm using just the translucent, and you guys know I have a backup of the banana, but I wanted to kind of show translucent some love, and I still love it, but I prefer my banana any day. Y'all know I love that new Wet n Wild little highlighter. I mean, not highlighter, powder. Lord Jesus, I'm sitting there looking at me setting my face, and I said highlighter. So one thing that I have been loving is that Benefit Hoola Bronzer in Toasted. But you guys, it packs a punch. I'm so proud of Benefit for bringing out darker shades for their Hoola bronzers. But you guys, y'all have to go very light-handed, because I learned the hard way that it packs a strong punch. But it's a perfect shade for me. I love it. I use it most of the time. I don't use it a lot because I don't want to use it all up, but it's a great contour to bronze up your face with. Even if you want to do a snatch contour, use it on a smaller, denser brush, and you got it. It'll work for you. So I am going in with my Anastasia Blush Trio in Berry Adore, and I mixed two of them to pop that on my cheeks. And you guys, TaylorMade Jane here on YouTube turned me on to this. So when I went out and bought it, I was like, I hope I love it like she loves it. And you guys, I can't put it down. I cannot. So let's jump back to the eyes real quick. I am using my NYX Glam Liner, and you guys, y'all see my hand shaking like I cannot be steady for nothing. But I felt like the eye look was missing something, and I wanted to be a little bit more popping. So I decided to go in and trace my cut crease with this liner, and I absolutely love it. I love the way it turned out. I hope you guys are enjoying this because I've been loving doing these videos. And just to let you guys know, Anastasia Beverly Hills will be next. I'm telling you guys. So I am going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Loose Highlighter in Hustle and Glow. And you guys, I love this highlighter too. And setting it on top of that Mega Jelly highlighter. Oh my God. Oh my God. I just love it, and a little does go a long way. These loose highlighters by Wet n Wild remind me of the Artist Couture loose highlighters. Like, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. But yes, you guys, the Anastasia Beverly Hills series is coming next once we finish this series. So I hope you guys are staying tuned. I hope you guys subscribe and click the notification bell so you will not miss that. Okay, so I did spray my face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set Spray, and I'm a little on the fence about it because I'm not a dewy girl, but I've been wanting to use it. That's why you see me going over with the Mario Badescu Cucumber and Aloe setting spray, the facial spray stuff. Like, you guys, I'm not really a dewy girl, but I gotta try it. I got to try it. So this is the Gerard Cosmetics lip liner in Mudslide, and you guys, I do have a coupon code down below if you want to get you some. I do love their pencils, their lip pencils. It is gorgeous. This is my Wet n Wild High Shine lip gloss, and I forgot the name, but I kind of wanted it to be a little on the light side. That's why I went with the lip gloss. Now these Remy lashes in 778, Andrea Renee turned me on to it, and you guys, go pick you up some. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if y'all are psyched and hyped about the ABH series coming next. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know if you recreated this look, and I will see you, diamonds and gems, in the next one. I love you all. Thank y'all so much, so much for watching. Bye.